Hey guys, I just wanted to come back today, the next day, and show you the results of this EC3 Mold Spray on this Dooney and Burke bag. You can see right here where we had it soaked the other day from spraying it so much and getting it all wet, and now it's dry. It's still pretty gross and needs to be scrubbed and all of that, but none of it is damaged. None of the stitching is damaged. None of the brass is damaged. None of the leather is damaged. The inside is great too. Also needs a lot of work, but it's not damaged at all. None of it is, and it's all dry now, and it smells a lot better. So I strongly recommend this EC3 Mold Spray. It's going to save a lot of stuff. It might save clothing. There are a lot of things you can do with this if you're thrifting, so I think it's very important and worth considering. Anyway, thank you so much. Grab your EC3 Mold Spray. I'm putting it in the comment section, and have a great day.